Why do companies execute projects? Let's see. All companies and organizations have goals. Some of them are related to their normal daily work and keep the business operating. Other goals, however, are more strategic. To achieve those, companies cannot just lean on the routine activities. They must put all extra efforts and perform extra moves. These strategic decisions help companies achieve their aspirations to become a market leader, create the best in-class product, develop an innovative technology, and make the world a better place. So how do companies transform these extra efforts into the desired benefits and goals? The magic tool here is projects, and this is why companies perform them. Projects are a specific type of investment, and as any investment, in order to achieve the desired benefits, your output, certain resources are used as input. In projects, these inputs usually are financial resources needed for goods and services, organizational resources, the experts and professionals from various departments and also any equipment that may be needed. And last but not least, we have time. In highly competitive and innovative industries, failing to keep your focus on the right initiatives just for a couple of months can put your company in a significant disadvantage compared to your competitors. This is another reason why companies need to be very careful when deciding which projects to undertake and which ones to postpone or fully abandon. Okay, now, with the resources granted, the magical project must transform them into the desired benefits. These benefits can be financial, increased revenues from new products or new markets; operational, more efficient processes being faster and better, resulting in lower costs; customer-related, initiatives to satisfy a key customer or the society in case of public projects; non-profit. Goals may also not be linked to money, like environment-related topics, social welfare and aid, education, charity, etc. So let's see what projects would look like from an investment perspective. We're going to observe time on the horizontal axis and resources/benefits on the vertical one. Let's suppose we can translate all resources and benefits into a dollar amount, negative for the used resources and positive for the generated benefits. So in the beginning, resources are consumed by the project. Financial resources and professionals engage to perform the magical project work. As time passes and the project is successfully executed and completed, the line changes direction due to two factors. One is that the desired project output is now created, and this starts generating the desired benefits. The other is that the use of resources has now decreased or has totally finished. With the further progress of time, the organization continues to enjoy the benefits created by the project. These benefits must be aligned with the business strategy in order to make the organization achieve its goals, which we mentioned at the beginning of the lesson. Awesome. In the next lesson, we will review the typical reasons that may trigger a project. See you there.